In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to manage your Google AI plan from Gemini app. Let's get started. First, launch your Gemini app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on your profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the option Upgrade to Google AI Plus. When you open the plan settings, you will see details about your current subscription, such as whether you are free tier or a paid AI plan through Google One. If you are subscribed, it will show your active benefits, billing cycle, and usage features. To make changes, simply tap Manage Plan and you will be redirected to your Google account billing page. Inside the Google billing dashboard, you can upgrade to a higher AI plan if you want more advanced features or downgrade if you want to reduce costs. You can also cancel your subscription completely by selecting Cancel Plan and confirming your choice. Once cancelled, your benefits will remain active until the end of the billing period. So that's it. This is how you can easily manage your Google AI plan from Gemini app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.